I gotta work on the onions and the mushrooms. So, mushrooms and onions, and some white cheddar shells or something like that?
Yes.
Ready like kings tonight. Does it look good? Man, I wish there was smell-o-vision, guys, because if you could smell those steaks searing on that iron, oh, it smells so good. Doesn't it smell good?
That smells amazing.
Dinner is served. Shells, onions, mushrooms. Oh,
On a ribeye.
on a ribeye steak. You ready?
I'm so ready.
All right, let's eat. All right, we're eating. Nice and pink. Just like I like it. Okay. Well, I just thought I'd show you the wonderful pinkness. Oh, Jennifer's enjoying it. I gotta eat.
Oh, yeah.
You guys have seen food before, right?
Wow, this is
Good food. All right. Campfire food's always best food. Okay, I'm done filming, guys. I'm put off eating long enough.